Hello, I am Harish Kanapur and you are watching On Point. Before getting started, I have given the link below of the draft copy. Please do download that. It is a full textbook of your CAMD. In this video, we are going to make a nut. So let's go to mechanical design, part new. Okay. Let's select a plane. Positional sketch. We will draw a profile now, which is a geometrical profile which is similar to our drawing. Okay, here we finished the profile. It almost looks like that. Let's constrain it. We have to constrain according to the draft copy we have, otherwise we will be in problem. No, it's not like that. It is not possible. It is possible, but you have to make other calculations if you give our own dimensions. So it's better to give our dimensions which are in copies. Try to give the dimensions cleanly so that you can see clearly. By doing this, here we can see why it is not constrained. Here it's moving up and down. It means that we have not given the height. See, after giving height, the diagram is constrained or the profile is constrained. We can check it by clicking here. It's showing ISO constraint. So here we have selected one and go to, let's go to multi-dimensional constraint. Let's assign the values. While assigning, be careful. Watch which part you are assigning, and according to the draft copy you assign the values. See here, I'm a little bit confused now. Okay, it's done. So now you can see it is ISO constraint. Now you have to provide an axis so that we can rotate that. Okay, if you see now, it will shows under constraint because we have not constrained that axis line. So give let's give shaft. See, now we have to edge fillet as it is given in the draft copy. Let's give it a color, which is my favorite part in doing the product design. Let's name it as a nut. Save.